Welcome back, students. Let me go to the problem number 8. Integration under root x square minus 2x dx. Look, x square minus 2x, that can be thought of as x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1, that is x minus 1 whole square minus 1 square. So here you can write root over of x minus 1 whole square minus 1 square d of x minus 1. So this is in the form, standard form, root over of x square minus a square dx. Formula is x by 2 root over of x square minus a square. Here it will be minus a square by 2 ln of mod of x plus root over of x square minus a square plus c. So here the answer will be half x minus 1 into integrand is x square minus 2x, then minus a square by 2 is half ln of mod of x plus integrand is x square minus 2x plus c. This is your answer. Next question. Integration root over of 2ax minus x square dx. Look, 2ax minus x square, that can be thought of as minus of x square minus 2a, then plus a square minus a square, x minus a whole square minus a square. So this becomes a square minus x minus a whole square. Now I am writing here a square minus x minus a whole square d of x minus a. Now it comes to the standard form. Now its answer is half x minus a into integrand. Integrand is this plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x minus a by a plus c. This will be your answer. Okay. Next question. Integration under root 2x square plus 3x plus 4 dx. Always remember to make this coefficient 1. Always. It will make simpler your steps. Okay. So now look how I am dealing with this. 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Take 2 common, you get x square plus 3x by 2 plus 2. Then 2 into x square plus 2 into x into 3 by 4. Plus 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 plus 2. Here it is x plus 3 by 4 whole square. 16 to the 32 minus 9, that is 23 by 16. Okay. So this will become, this is under root, so 2 becomes root 2 integration under root x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus root over 23 by 4 whole square, and here I am writing d of x plus 3 by 4. Now this is in the form integration root over of x square plus s square dx. Standard integral is x by 2 root over of x square plus s square plus s square by 2 ln of mod of x plus root over of x square plus s square plus c. So here it will be half into x plus 3 by 4 into x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 23 by 16, then plus a square by 2, that is 23 by 32 ln of mod of x plus 3 by 4 x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 23 by 16 mod closed, third bracket closed, plus c. Now we can write it as, if we push root 2 within this becomes 1 by 8 4x plus 3 under root. If we push root 2 here, this becomes this 2x square plus 3x plus 4, then plus 23 root 2 by 32 ln of mod of x plus 3 by 4 plus under root, this will become x square plus 3x by 2 plus 2 mod close plus c. This will be your answer. Next question. Integration under root 3 minus 2x minus 2x square and then dx. So how I am dealing this? Just follow. 3 minus 2x minus 2x square. First take minus 2 common. We get x square plus x minus 3 by 2. Then minus 2 into x square plus 2 into x into half plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Minus 2, this is x plus half whole square minus 7 by 4. So finally it becomes 2 into root 7 by 2 whole square minus x plus half whole square. Root over, so it will be root 2 root 7 by 2 whole square minus x plus half whole square. Here I am writing d of x plus half. Now this is standard integral, so root 2 into half of x plus half into integrand, that is 3 by 2 minus x square, then plus a square by 2, that is 7 by 8 sin inverse of x plus half by root 7 by 2 plus c. Now if we push root 2 here, so the answer will be half 1 by 4 2x plus 1 under root 3 minus 2x square, and then plus 7 root 2 by 8 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 7 plus c. This will be our final answer. Okay. Next, let us give you some problems as homework, because if you do not solve problems at your own, you can't get your command on this. So it is your duty to solve several problems at your own at home, so that you can have command on this. Homework. Integration under root 16 plus ln x whole square into dx by x. Answer is half ln x obviously ln of mod x under root ln x whole square plus 16 plus 8 ln of mod of ln x plus under root ln x whole square plus 16 mod closed plus c. Here you have to put ln x equal to z, then it will be in your form to solve it. Next question, integration x square under root a to the power 6 minus x to the power 6 dx. Its answer is 1 by 6 x cubed under root a to the power 6 x to the power 6 plus a to the power 6 by 6 sin inverse of x cube by a cube plus c. Here you have to put x cube equals z, then you get the problem in a form which you can tackle. And the last one is integration x under root x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Answer is x square by 4 under root x to the 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 ln of mod of x square plus under root x to the power 4 plus 1 plus c. Here you have to put x square equals z. Hope you can do all these problems. Now let us have a short break. After the break I am coming with next form, that is form 23. Till then, be there.